It is currently my 22nd birthday, and this is my first 20-second fun thing. My battery's dying! Anyway, go! I think we'll be okay. Corey, we're on a time constraint here. The battery is dying.
Don't let us down. Smell it! Oh yeah!
Michael got us the goods last time. Gotta deliver.
There better not be any.
Oh.
Oh yeah! Got the
First try! Trunk is open. Oh, make sure there's no leakage. Make sure there's no leakage. He's got a dead body. Wow, Corey. Oh no.
Go, go!
Ha, suckers, we got here first.
I'm hiding.
I'm ducking down.
Hey.
There's a lot of holes.
Okay, Corey, how do you feel? Good job, first time. Beautiful.
Was that the only set?